I'm just making up the last terminal. It's the last chance to see this 400mm cable before I get the last of the tags on it. It's all coming together good. Yeah, it looks a bit silly now, doesn't it, compared to that welding cable. Right, it's just this last one to get on. They're quite tight actually in there. There's not much room for manoeuvre. Quick shot on another angle. Alright, let's stick something across it. Right, let's stick a little bit of tubing across it. Can't get a good connection. So we've only got a couple of bolts. We're getting a good connection on that. Is tricky. Right, let's stick something else on it. What about screwdriver? Ooh. I want more. So I still got to crank that bearing up a tiny bit more. See, that's much more sensible. I lowered the voltage and trebled the amps. Now I've got a screwdriver that goes around corners now. I think we need to stick something a bit more meaty on it. Turn the amps off. Fucking just melted, isn't it? Oof! Way off the fucking. I can feel that magnetic field in there. I can't register the current, unfortunately. But it's warm. Oh, fuck me, that's hot. That's stupid hot. Should have left it on there. Would have cooked that up, wouldn't it? I could have made that whole bar glow. Shit. I think I'm going to need a bigger bus bar. These cables are a lot thicker than that bar. This bar gets quite hot. Nothing's even warm. This transformer must be like, I don't know, 50, 75 kVA. Because nothing's even getting slightly warm on it. Well, I thought I'd better explain what I've done. For those interested in it, and if there's electricians watching this, even you guys probably think, fucking hell. But standard transformer, still don't know what the kVA rating is, but I reckon about 50 kVA. We've got 120 volt winding, another 120 volt. Both of those are in series, so it runs on 240, and each one of these 400mm cables goes round in a figure 8. And then there's 3 of those all in parallel, so you've got one output there and one the other side. Voltage on short circuit currents probably about half a volt, and obviously offloads probably 4 volts. So if you take half a volt and we've got probably 15 kVA, then 30,000 amps isn't unreasonable. But if we can put 100 or possibly 200 amps into this transformer, then there's no reason why we can't have 50,000 amps or more. But these bus bars, they are still quite hot, and the reason is these cables are a lot thicker than that bus bar. Give you a close up on a bit of that. Right, don't know if I'll get on this. That's the copper bus bar I'm using, the area of it, and that's the cable. So you can see that that cable obviously can handle a lot more than this bus bar. So I think I'm going to need some bigger bus bar if I want some serious amps. Probably 3" by 1" solid bar to handle that sort of output. But that's it, I think we're done with the high current transformer now. It's not too bad, probably pulls about 40-50 amps off the mains at the moment, which isn't too unreasonable. But the other day I wound it up with much too much voltage on the secondaries, probably had about 8 turns, or possibly had 16 volts, and the kVA on it was stupid. But now we've only got half a volt times 3, we've got stupid amps and not much volts, so you could actually touch those outputs and we wouldn't even feel it really. Well, as usual, thanks for watching, and there's going to be a few updates soon, waffly ones, because I've got lots to talk about, lots happening. Catch up soon.